Hey guys, it's another episode with Cooking with Renee, and this time I'm doing like a chocolate almond butter keto fat bomb. So if you want to know how to make it, keep on watching. So you're going to need these ingredients, which is 100% cocoa or cacao, but basically it's 100%, so you don't want to be licking that. Almond butter, coconut oil, some stevia or swerve, and sugar-free chocolate chips. So you're going to take about 1/4 cup of almond butter. And again, this you don't want to eat either because there's no flavor. I mean, like, it isn't sugary. And then you're going to want 1/4 cup of coconut oil. And you're going to pop that in the microwave for about a minute. So after a minute, you're going to see that it's melted, and you just want to mix that together until it's nice and creamy. And then with your 100% cacao or cocoa, you're just going to take, I think I do about 2 tablespoons. Heaping. Sometimes 3, it just depends on how chocolatey you want it. But 2 is usually pretty good. And then I want to, after mixing, you actually want to add in your stevia packet in here as well. I actually also sprinkle in a little bit of sea salt. So there's the packet of stevia. 1 is good. Like, I've tried it with like 2 or 3, and that's way too sugary for me. And then I just, 1 little turn of the crank there on some salt. Like, you just, because it brings out some chocolate. And then you just mix that together. And you're going to want to pour that on in to some little tiny mini cupcake paper thingy-majigs. I'll show you right now. So these little guys, these are minis. And so you just pour them up to the top. I've actually added in like a macadamia nut, which is really good. An almond would be good. Like it's really good. This is your good chocolate fix if you really, really need it. But in here I add these sugar-free chocolate chips. It's like about 4 of them in each, just to give it, a little extra chocolate. And then you're just going to pop these in the freezer until they're nice and hard, and you can leave them in there until you really need one. Like this batch I made about 6, I think, and I'll like maybe have 1 or 2 a week. Just depends when I really want one. But if you're not getting your fats in on your keto diet, then these are a good little quick fat bombs at the end of the night to get your fat in. And there they are once they're frozen. And it's like a big chocolate peanut butter bar. It's really good. So I hope you guys give it a try. Give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!